So good evening friends. Today we will discuss about that what is a Red Hat and how to install it. So my name is Vinay Mishra and I am a student of JET Aliganj. Today we will see about it. So Red Hat is just a Linux based software. It is a OS and it is a CLI based, means you have to type the commands, and after typing the commands the functions will taken automatically. So next we begin how to install it. So you can see that here is our Windows, that how to have to install it. So firstly in VMware or anywhere else, whatever your virtual machine is there, so just click on create a virtual machine. Okay, now you have to choose this typical, which is a recommendation. Anywhere you can, in Hyper-V you can also install it, as well as in VirtualBox you can install it. So firstly we are seeing like this. Okay, now click next. Okay, now I will install later system. Okay, you have to choose the ISO, but it will be in a next page. So you can see that here is a lot of options are there. So we have to install RHEL 8, which is the latest one, and here you can check that whatever you want to install, please install it. Okay, now we will click to next, and then we can take the new name. Okay, I am RHEL 8. You can give any name to it. Okay, so after this you can also choose the place that where you want to store this physical machine. Okay, see this virtual machine. So virtualization is very easy. Just you have to click, and whenever you want to install it, you can install. Okay, you can make a new folder and type RHEL. So wherever you want to install it, just you have to install. Okay, so I will click again. Okay, now in RHEL2 it will install. Okay, this is my location. You can check any other location, whatever you want. Okay, now you can give the MBs, 50 MB, 60 MB, whatever you want. Okay, and split it into a single file, because it is very good if you are splitting in a single file. Okay, splitting in different multiple files, it will make some difference, or it will be difficult to use it. Okay, now click next. Now you have to click finish. Okay, all these things are ready. Okay, now click finish. Okay, after clicking finish, you have to select the CD DVD from where you want to install it. Okay, so just you have to use ISO image, click here and browse it. Okay, when whatever you have stored your ISO file, just you have to click there. Okay, in RHEL 8 I have this file. Okay, so you have to type whole the scenario where it is. Okay, you can also check the net adapter. You can check it as a bridge, because it is a good thing if you are taking bridge, means if you want to network connectivity. Okay, so processor is one, all the information is given here only. You want to change the RAM, because if you have a good RAM, then you can the installation will be very easy, means you will very easily you can cooperate it, and your installation will be good one. Okay, so you can give anyone, but I am giving 4 GB RAM. Okay, so let's power the virtual machine. Okay, now it is installing. Okay, so it will take 51 to 50 seconds for rebooting it. Okay, it will boot automatically. So it is started, that everything is recording. Okay, so you can see here that how the system is being recording. Okay, so you can check here that which percentage is being recording. Okay, so it will take some time. Okay, after this I will show you that how it is being recording. Okay, so now you have to choose the installation language. I am choosing United Nation English or English India. So whatever you want to choose it and click on continue. Okay, after clicking it, it will process the things that how to install it. Okay, so after this you have to click the destination, whatever file you have done it. Okay, so just you have to click it and click it automatically. You can also configure it from the custom, but it does not need so much because it will done it automatically, whatever RAM or whatever things it needs. Okay, so automatically is good one. And you have to click the time zone in India. Okay, then you want to choose the language. Okay, I am Indian, so I am choosing India only. Okay, this is my time zone. And keyboard type, whatever you want, English India or anything else, you can choose it from here only. Okay, and one more thing, you have to choose it as a workstation, because if you are using workstation, then it will be a good one, means your all the processor or whatever you want to do some practicals, so it will be done. Okay, automatically from workstation only. From here you can also choose the custom, but I think that custom will take a lot of time, and automatically is better one, so I am choosing this one. Okay, now click on the begin installations. Okay, now you have to give the root password. Okay, so whatever you root password want to give, I am giving 123. Okay, I'm giving just 123, and second one 123. Okay, this is my root password. And user full name, whatever you want to do, I am giving test. Okay, and password I am giving 123. Okay, and 123. Check. Now you have to double click it because my password is low. Okay, not strong so much, so wait for some time. Or now it is installing the sources, that how it will prepare its desktop only from itself only. Okay, so wait. So after this installation, this root password is also set and use creation is also test. Okay, so you have to reboot once again. Okay, after this reboot only your functions will be done automatically. Okay, so it is rebooting. Okay, so you can see it is rebooting. So after this screen will become after installation, so you have to just click here. Okay, and accept all the agreements which are being done here. Okay, now click on done. After done, click on finish configurations. Okay, so this is my front one. Okay, my account which I had made, so I have to put password 123. Okay, after this 123 password entered. Okay, now your screen will become automatically. From here you can start your work. Okay, so I think whatever I had done installation you have understand some things that how to install your Red Hat. We will make further videos for understanding this, that how Red Hat actually works. Okay, so wait for these ones. So guys, this is our screen, that what is. Now you have to click here, activities. Okay, and now you can see that there is a terminal, and now you can type whatever you want to search. Okay, this is your terminal. Like I want to print date command, click on this and you read it. So thank you guys for listening me. Once again, these languages can also be a part of it. Just you have to click next and next. Okay, and your OS is being already installed. Okay, so this is what I want to say. So thank you once again for listening me.